Alright, I've got the floor pans installed. My boy's got my body. He's working on the paint job. He's been working on it for half his life, seems like, but he's a good friend, does a heck of a job, so I can't complain too much. But right now we are in the middle of doing a little brake job. Gonna replace that wheel cylinder and the springs. I'm gonna keep these adjuster nuts because they seem to be okay. I'm gonna clean them up, make them look right. And I'm gonna clean that up because that wheel cylinder was, you can see it was leaking pretty bad. But I got this side, got the wheel or the axle nut off, and the How You Can Do This Too guy, Tony I think's his name, introduced me to a nice little trick. A little piece of metal here, a little, I don't know, you can see here, it's a flat bar metal. I don't know if you can see that, my phone don't focus. 1 1/4 by 3/16, about 3 foot. And you just line the holes up on the hub there, screw them in and pop that nut right off, man. It works great. Kudos to Tony. But that little thing cost me about $6 at the Home Depot, and it worked like a charm. I don't know if you can see. We got the pans coated with the POR 15. I'm gonna redo the front brakes, get them straight. I just broke this back wheels down, and as you can see, it's actually got brand new pads on it. So I'm gonna just clean this up here, hit it with the wire brush, clean these adjusters up. They just pop, as you can see, they just pop right in here. Just need a little cleaning, a little anti-seize in there. Have them ready to go. And of course I just got the motor, got all the pans, got the tank painted, heater boxes painted and ready to go, new muffler. All the pans are tins, not pans. Got everything painted up. Once I get these brakes done, I got the motor looking pretty good. Got the new boots on, new shocks, got all the new bolts, and as you can see, the rubbers. Got the new gasket around the pan, ready for the body. Got it looking good. Of course, I gotta put the manifold back on. There's all my, actually that's the molding out of my rubber pieces. I'm gonna actually replace all them in my window regulators. Got them ready to go. More tins. Got the, oh, that's kind of crazy. Got the oil bath cleaned up and painted. I'm just kind of lazy, I guess, be an understatement. But since my body, man, ain't in no hurry, and I'm about to go crazy for the body to get here, I figured I might as well do the brakes. Again, we got new pads here. I'm gonna replace this wheel cylinder, but I ain't no mechanic. I don't do this on a daily basis, but thanks to YouTube and the simplicity of this car, it's like a little kit car, man. I always used to put models together. It's about the same thing, but she's coming along. I've got the frame painted up, got the seals, got the brake line in. It's a new brake line there. I just painted over the old brake lines with the POR. I kind of like that stuff. And then of course we got the pedal cluster, got the brake lines run. Man, it was tough trying to get that little plug in there, but I'm gonna drop in the, once I get the wheel cylinders and all put in, I'm gonna drop the pedal cluster in, bleed the brakes, got the master cylinder in, she's ready, the line's hooked up here. I'm actually debating on whether or not I'm gonna change them front wheel cylinders out. They seem to be pretty good, but I don't know. I might change them out. It just depends. Got the rubber in, ready to rock here. And actually, probably have to replace this steering damper too, because I think it had to put this on here because it was leaking, but it don't appear to be leaking now. Doesn't appear to be. But I finished the seats. I just hadn't done a video of them. I plan on showing you my new seats and all that good stuff. Just wanted to give you a little update on what's happening. There's my empty 8 spokes that actually come with the car, and there's a brand new set over there. And I'm restoring this to sell, and I'm going to put the money I make off of this one into this one. And that's the ultimate prize. The 65 convertible, numbers matching. This 68 is also a numbers matching bug, so once I'm through with it ought to do pretty good. I know I'll get my money back. Sure enough. I'm just curious as to my paint job. It ain't costing me as much as most folks pay for a paint job, so we'll see. Y'all come back. I might video that brake change, but you've seen there's so many videos on YouTube. You don't need me to show you. I'm just gonna say how you can do this too, guy. Tony is helped me a lot. Chris Vallone from Classic VW Bugs and VW Darn, he's good too, man. I just like the way he talks. Alright guys, gotta clean that hub up. I've semi-cleaned this one over here, but it needs a little more cleaning. It's still dirty. But Lord, I have made a mess. My wife's gonna kill me. Alright, I gotta tune-out, clean that up so I don't get killed. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment at the bottom.